guys, welcome back to our channel, Twinning It. So as you can tell by the title down below, we are doing a
review fidget.
So we can do it by ourselves. So of course we have some special guests. First up, do you want to introduce her?
It is Addie from Egghead Squad. Hello.
She's been in a few of our videos.
And next is our friend
Lauren.
Hello.
So make sure to check Egghead Squad out on YouTube.
So now we need to get our fidgets.
So we have a bunch of fidgets here. So first, I'm gonna take out we have a few fidgets that aren't fidgets in here that I have to take out.
Few things.
A few things that are not fidgets.
Okay, the first fidget.
But no, you guys can pick out of here. If you pick something that's not a fidget, just give it to me. Alright. Okay, so want to pick one? Close your eyes. Pick one out of these. This one? Okay. So you each pick the fidgets. I'm going to show them how much fidgets you got. Addie, you can go first. Oh, no, you can go first. Oh, you pick them. Okay, so I got. Wait, let me tell you this. Oh, I got this bike chain. It's pretty good. We're gonna give a score for the fidgets at the end of the video. So there's the bike chain. Okay, next up, Olivia.
Next, I got an orange monkey noodle. It's very stretchy. I like that. And it's very stress relieving. Next is Lauren. I got a mochi elephant.
What color is it?
Blue.
And what is it? Like, how does it feel?
This one.
Okay.
Addie.
What did you get?
I got a football squishy.
What color is it?
Brown.
And how does it feel?
Hard.
Okay, now put these fidgets aside and let's pick again. Okay, I got mine.
Here's a sneak peek. Here's a sneak peek. Here's a sneak peek.
You two pick something that we haven't picked. Okay, so Olivia, you can go first.
I got a sunset color marble mesh. We haven't played with these fidgets in a while, so we're forgetting the names. So I really like the sun on the shade of this. It's so pretty. Next is Shannon. She's going like this.
Okay, so the next thing, the fidget that I got is a pea popper. And guess what? It's not just a pea popper. It has a face on it. This is very stress relieving. The color is green, and it feels nice.
Lauren, I got a stress ball. This
Fun
is
stress
homemade.
ball. This is a homemade one.
And there's a hole in it. That's why there's tape.
How does it? What color is it?
Pinkish?
Yeah. How does it feel?
Slimy.
Okay, Addie, you can go next.
So I got
Okay.
I got the other
Rainbow.
rainbow marble mesh.
What color is it? Rainbow.
Multicolored.
How does it feel? Sorry, now I kicked you.
Marbly.
Okay, now let's put these aside and let's pick another one. That one. We have to flip the whole thing. Okay. And you can pick one.
Oh wait.
How about okay, so what it is, Olivia? Okay, so Olivia, what did you get?
I got a homemade fidget.
Show it.
So let me just sort it all out.
What?
You can do it on.
What? Okay. I got a mobile stress ball. It is the flag, so it's multicolored, and it feels beady and like stress relieving. Anything else?
Confused what that sound. I got a taco squishy.
What color is it?
All different colors.
Yeah, and what does it feel like?
Very squishy.
Okay, Abby.
I got a fidget cube.
What color is it?
Multicolored.
And why aren't you showing your face?
I don't know.
And
I'm just in the corner over here being like,
and how does it feel?
I'm ready.
cubey.
Okay.
Because all it feels like is hard.
Okay, Olivia.
So this is what I got. It is made.
Doesn't matter.
Of paper clips.
It's a homemade fidget.
And there is a bottle cap there to hold them on, and it's a fun fidget.
What color is it? Multicolored.
Yeah.
And how does it feel?
Stop asking that.
How does it feel?
Nice.
Okay, now that's basically all the fidgets we... Where's the wacky check?
Wacky track? What's that?
Okay, so we lost the wax.
Oh, wait. I know where it is.
So thank you for watching Fidgets with Twinning It and Lauren and Addie. Bye. Bye. So when Shannon said that we were going to wait it, she was just kidding. So now this was just a playing with Fidgets video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.